morning everyone, this is Rupali and you're watching Odisha. Realtors Association of Odisha ORA is gearing up to organize the biggest real estate conclave of the future, Innovative RE Odisha on 2023 August 25 in Bhubaneswar to deliberate and explore on innovative trades, technology and sustainable practices of real estate sector, which will provide participants the opportunity to learn latest trends and can network with the industry lead. As part of the event, an expo will showcase Odisha's emergence as a major market for real estate investment and growth. The event gathers industry leaders, experts, and stakeholders to explore a wide array of innovations reshaping the real estate sector both globally and in the Odisha market. With massive development and demand for residential properties, the expo sheds lights on the expansion of real estate offerings including commercial spaces, hospitality, logistic parks, retail, warehousing, IT parks, data centers and many more. This diversification not only reflects evolving lifestyle preferences but also positions Odisha as a prime destination for investors seeking diverse opportunities. Speaking on the occasion, Swarup Ranjan Mahapatra, past President, Chairperson Innovate RE Conclave said, "The core objective of this forum is to strengthen the demand for securing industry status for real estate sector. More than 200 delegates from across India will participate in the conclave."
गोटे फ्लोर तले 500 लोग केबे एकाठी हिनतले टू डिस्कस अबाउट रियल एस्टेट. So for that reason we are claiming it the biggest real estate conclave. So that would be open discussions because many government dignitaries are coming, including the HNUD department, industries department, RERA. So some discussion would be there on a panel discussion on an open forum. जोटा कि still for the industry's growth some things are challenge. So से challenge ऊपर हमें discussion करिबु, ओडिशा रो potential ऊपर discuss करिबु, ओडिशा रो ability to take Odisha as a Eastern India hub as in not only residential, IT, education, hospitality, tourism, सब जिनस पे ओडिशा रो बहुत गुटे potential अच्छी. So सेगुड़ा ऊपर भी हमें open discussions करिबु तो everybody would be having a takeaways कि जो मैंने स्पेशली बाहर भी जो 200 लोग आसुचंती सेमान को भी जाना पड़िबो कि भुवनेश्वर और कटक और ओडिशा होल रो कोन अपॉर्चुनिटी अछि सो दे कैन आल्सो कम एंड इन्वेस्ट हियर.
This event is all about innovation in real estate. Our market Odisha, say the Bhubaneswar city, is not limited to skyscrapers. It is not limited to real estate, residential or commercial real estate. We can think of various aspects of real estate like logistic hub, warehousing, senior citizen housing, student housing. So this is an attempt of Realtors Association of Odisha